Tokyo Beauty Channel. Can you tell me the makeup issue?
Yeah, nhà không nguyên hiểu. Rồi thì cái em nhà không người ta bảo cho cả đi xoay gì cho này, xoay mà make it tickly cho gia đình bạn á.
Okay. Okay. First of all, the color should be similar as your hair color. Almost same color is better. And then, when you draw the eyebrow, first go like this, comb, and then look at your eyebrow carefully, which part has got much and which part is less, and then use this eyebrow pencil, and then don't write everything, draw less area. Okay, so here you have eyebrow, but here not so much. So in this case, make up around here. And also, if you draw eyebrow here very dark, it is mistake. So don't make here dark. Okay, the other side. And when you make up your eyebrow, don't go one by one. Go this side, this side, this side, this side. Finish equal. Do the makeup same speed, same pace, same timing. So draw right and left and right, right and left, left and right. If you do that, you can make the balance. And also, I would recommend to do like this. Use eyebrow blush or this kind of screw blush, and then make a blend, gradation. And when you feel you finish your eyebrow makeup, just check here and here. If here is too dark, make lighter. And sometimes you can use eyebrow mascara to match with your hair. Okay, have a look, please.
Wow.
It is okay with you?
Anh xoay luôn thì ở trong lạnh nào cầm đi.
Tokyo Beauty Channel.